Hi guys, welcome to Sal WIGS series where we create your perfect image, guys. So guys, I've been having this wig for a long time. It's like now 3 months, but it's a it's been a long wig. I think it's like it was like 30 inches, so it was tangled at its end, so I decided to cut it into this type you're seeing on the screen. I think it's a brand cut. So guys, here when I was trying to cut it into a blunt cut, so guys, I was confused about this wig and I was thinking, saying, what should I do with this wig? It's been here for so long. So I decided to trim it down, and before that, it was a straight wig and water burnt it, so we decided to make those curls. When you are in a wig business, you have to be so creative. You have to be very creative. So guys, so I cut it like this to see what comes out of it. So but everyone who has been seeing this wig, they are so amazed. Everyone is asking, sir, is this the wig which has been here for so long? Yeah, I told him, yeah, it's the wig that has been here for so long. So guys, I liked the outcome of it. I liked it, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I liked the outcome. It came out very nice. Light on the head. Simple. Classic, guys. Oh, I think I'll make more wigs in this type, cause I've never made one which has curls. I've been making the brand cow cuts, but they have been straight like this one below, but not these long ones, but not these curved ones, guys. So oh my god, I like the outcome. Oh. So guys, this is color 2 stroke 900. I like the color, I like the size, I like the curves. Oh my god, guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to patronize you guys, so you can follow us on TikTok at SalWigs, Facebook at SalWigs, Instagram at SalWigs. Guys, patronize me, guys. Subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, cause my channel is educative. You can get something out of it. You can see my daily life as a wig maker here at my shop. So guys, I'm hoping to have a wig factory in future, so guys, I'm pursuing for that. Yeah, just pray for me, guys. Just pray for me. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So guys, look at this. Look at what I cut. It's been a lot. The wig has been long, 30 inches. Yeah, 30 inches. Been long. I had to cut. Guys, so the kid you're seeing in the background, that's my friend with a son. They had come to visit me. As you see them, I love them so much. Oh my god, love him. So here's a wig. How do I look, guys? So I saw this side was longer than the other one, so I had to cut it so that it can be in the same shape with the other side. How do I look, guys? Look at that. Oh my god, I forgot to show you that wig before I cut it. It was a big mistake. So guys, here I had not put, I had to go get the scissors so that I cut it. It's a bit big because I haven't sprayed it, so that it can be a little bit thin the head. So I had to cut it so that they can be equal with the other side. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah guys, I'm a hardworking lady, by the way. I love working because we have to use our age, because there's a time when you get old, when you cannot work, you can't do the thing you used to do. So let's use our time to be productive. Guys, how is this wig? How am I looking? Guys, drop the the comments. Yeah, I love ya. Bye bye.